Hello friends, it's Miss Kristen with the Cambria County Library, and welcome to our Summer Quest 2024 Summer Reading Adventure. If you're ready to start a reading adventure with this book with me, clap your hands. Here we go. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter lived underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Their mother, Mrs. Rabbit, was going out. "Don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden," she said. But naughty Peter ran to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. First he ate some lettuces and French beans. Then he ate some radishes. Mr. McGregor saw Peter. He chased him around the garden, calling, "Stop, thief!" Poor Peter ran into a gooseberry net and got caught by the large buttons on his jacket. Peter wiggled away, but he left his jacket behind. Then he hid in a watering can. Presently, Peter sneezed. Curly-choo! Mr. McGregor was after him in no time. Poor Peter was lost. He saw a white cat with a twitching tail and crept past her. Suddenly, he heard a scratch noise of a hoe. There was Mr. McGregor, and beyond him was the gate. Peter ran as fast as he could, slipped under the gate, and was safe at last. His mother put him to bed with a dose of chamomile tea, but his sisters had bread and milk and blackberries for supper. The end.